What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be experimenting with some more uh, pearls, with some more spray paints. So there was a comment left by one of my viewers that wanted to see some green pearl over a blue base. So that's what we're going to do today. So for the blue, check this out. I've got the Rust-Oleum. This is in satin paint, and this is the color ink blue. So we're going to use this for our base, and for our pearls we're going to try lime green. Check this out. This is the lime green pearl. We're going to add this onto our clear coat, and we have been using the Besney Clearcoat, and I'll leave a link to this one where you can find it on eBay, and I got this one for $61. So I'll leave the links for that one. I've sprayed it on a couple of test fenders over the Rust-Oleum spray paints, and it's been holding up great. So today we're going to use our first fender that we used, which was a black base and a black pearl. So just going to go ahead and just sand it up real quick, get it ready for the base coat, the spray can ink blue, and we'll get started. Okay, so I've also got the question whether you can sand and polish the the clear coat when you add pearl to it. This one just has the pearl directly into the clear coat, and I didn't add just clear by itself over it. So if we do sand this, do we scratch up the pearl that's on the clear? I'm making a specific video to that, but while we're about to sand this, I'll see if I can answer the question. Here I have the sandpaper. I'm using 1000 grit. This is K1000 by Kovacs. This is the Super Acrylics. Very fine sandpaper. This is not paper, actually. This is latex abrasive. So it's very, very fine. Sanding block. This is the Acrylics 00212. So just gonna add it on here. And with this, I do recommend getting a microfiber. I'll get one right now, just to, let me wipe this. Okay, so the microfiber is to wipe off any dust that accumulates on the sanding sheet. These last a long time, but you had to clean the dust off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sand right here, and this is just light pressure with the 1000, and whenever you sand, always do an X pattern, like so. Okay, so just with that, that was with the 1000. Obviously, if you're gonna polish, you're gonna start off maybe with like a 2000 all the way up to 3000 grit sandpaper. That way you don't, leave any sandpaper scratches behind. Just sanding with the 1000 is not a coarse, but like it's pretty coarse enough to check if we sand the pearls on it. So have some water. Once you polish it, it's basically the results that it's going to give you once polished. Normally you would see if you see any blurred smudges or anything like that on the paint itself, but right there everything looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty good. Speaking of the pearls, okay, so here it is, ink blue. let that first coat dry. I'm also going to finish this ultra matte black on this lower section of the fender. I didn't do a good job sanding it, but I just thought it would be nice to try it. Alright guys, so I already sprayed the 2 coats of paint onto the fender. So while that dries, somebody also asked me a question. So concerning the pearl mixed in the clear, you know, after you spray the first coat and the spray gun is just sitting there just waiting for the next coat, do you have to re-stir the paint, like the pearls, or those little gnats are aggressive? Or what happens to the pearl? Does it settle or does it just keep on floating? Normally, I would just shake the gun, but let's go ahead and find out. I'm gonna go ahead and just mix the clear, add some pearls, and just let them settle or whatever they're gonna do while the paint dries. I'll give it about 10 minutes, see what it does, and then we'll add it onto the gun. But let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and make the same formula. We're going to go ahead and add 120 milliliters of Clearcoat. Then we're going to add 30 milliliters, making it 150. This is activator. And just to thin out the Clearcoat just a bit, we're going to add another 15 milliliters of reducer. Going to mix all that. Okay, this is our lime green pearl. We're gonna get our little teaspoon. Just get a little bit, just a little sample of it. That should be good. Let's mix it. Alright, so check this out. This is such a beautiful color right here. This kind of reminds me of a tri-coat. It was a candy color that I sprayed on a Suzuki Bergman. It was called Lambo Lime. So it had a base coat of Sublime Lime, the mid coat, Lambo Lime, and it just turned out really beautiful. Oh, it looks amazing. So now that it's mixed, I'm going to take off the spoon from there, or the mixing stick. And so nothing lands in there. I'm just gonna cover it just like that. And on the back over here I have a timer stopwatch, so I'm just going to start it and we'll come back to it. Just doing a quick voice over this clip since I'm not using any music on my videos anymore. The last author where I used to get the songs from now copyrights his videos, so that led to a ton of my videos just being copyright and I can't ask for monetization. So yeah, just a heads up. Alright guys, so that was it. There, if we look at it, there is a small bit of settling, not a whole lot, to where you can distinguish the clear and the pearls. But overall, like I said, check that out. Like I said, whenever you have it in the gun, just go ahead and just shake that gun just a little bit, and you know it should get back to. Okay, so you guys saw the video. There was just a small bit of settling, but like I said, just kind of, you know, shake the spray gun before coats, and you should be fine. So, like I said, I already have the paint in here, the clear coat with the lime green, and the fender is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start spraying some coats. All right, the Spectrum HTE 1.3 from Harbor Freight, 3M airflow air control valve with 25 psi and 2.5 turns, 2.25 turns, 2.25 turns. And nice guy, come on. Just a little bit more. That was a little dry. But good for the first coat. Gonna give it a little bit more wetter pass. Okay guys, so sorry about that. My battery died. I saw the screen turn dark and I thought I could just like finish off the last coat, but it just died like halfway. But I finished spraying the second coat, and then just over that I just continued spraying just whatever I had left on the gun, just like a little bit further distance, just to, you know, the metallics or the pearl, just to even it out. But let's go ahead and look at the fender. Alright guys, so here's the paint, the ink blue, and I brought my phone. I have the flash on because sun is going down, so it's a little hard to see, especially with the camera trying to focus. Right now it's focusing over there in the wheels. I'm not sure why. But if we shine the light at it, let's see. If we shine the light at it, you can see the metallic, right? So it's a nice effect. This pearl maybe isn't as strong, the color, like you can't see the green, but you know it's definitely better than ink blue by itself. You can still see it though, you know, because the spray cans don't have metallic on them. So down here I had sprayed black, just a little bit of extra black, and that one turned the paint green, like emerald green or something. A little closer. There it is. So, very nice color. This is over black. And then over here, over the blue. Alright. Alright, so they changed the hours, so but check it out. I got one of these headbands from my buddy Erwin from Three Wheels and a Block. I'll tag him in the comments. He's got a few merch, so you guys can check out. So I got this light right here, and it's pretty strong. And there it is. Yo! Alright, now we're talking. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Alright, nah, that's not my thing. Nah, but check it out. Damn, it looks nice. So this is what I'm talking about. Like you have to like look at it at a certain angle, not a certain angle, certain lighting or whatever. But the color is so beautiful like this. You know, like this is what I'm talking about. Like one thing is seeing, but then the phone is just trying to record something else. Over here we have the green. This is the lime green over the black, so it kind of turns emerald. Yeah. Man, I should have gotten one of these earlier. So, that's the color. And this is over a test fender. So again, the color is ink blue spray can with the lime green. With the lime green. Alright guys, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any more suggestions on what color combinations we should try, pearls over some different base colors, let me know. I'm still trying red over red. There's still like more colors like over black or over silvers that you guys suggested. So I'm still trying. I have a lot of pearls left and I ordered more. Plus I have something really, really amazing coming up. So I'll let you guys know soon as you know it's confirmed. But yeah guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe for more. That's it. Peace out. Peace out.